Our goal for this part of the lesson is to take this boy off of his white background and put him on a black background. This is going to be a little difficult to do because his shirt almost blends into the background itself. So we may need to use a couple of different ways to do this because we have some nice hard edges and we have some soft edges here like in the hair and so forth. Let's go in and start with our pen tool. And I'm going to just start right here and kind of guessing by golly where his shirt is in some of these places. And let's go on around his ear here. And then we'll just come up close to the edge of his hair until we get to the other ear. And then let's figure out where this shirt goes. And then we'll come around his arm and then close our path. And I will name that work path Boy. That way we don't lose it. All right. In our channels, if we come in what we're looking for, I'm going to click off this path so we're not having that interfere. We're looking for the most contrast. And the blue channel has the most contrast. So I'm going to right mouse button click and duplicate that channel. And we'll call it Boy 2, and we'll use this as a mask as well. So I'm going to invert it because we know that when we're using a mask, the thing that we're selecting is in white and what's in black is not selected at all. And really all I'm worried about is the edge of his hair there where it's nice and soft. We can come into the image and apply image and use like one of the lighten modes. That looks pretty good. And there we go. All right. So what we want to do now is come over to our path, make it active. And we're going to click make a selection out of it. Now you'll notice it selected the opposite of what I wanted, and so we're going to select the inverse. I think what I'll do is I'll soften that just a little bit. We don't want too hard of an edge, so let's feather that 2 or 3 pixels so it's not quite soft. And then let's go into the edit menu, fill, and we want to fill it with white. There we go. All right. Then what we can do is we can grab our paintbrush and white paint, and let's change it to overlay mode, and we'll just maybe reduce the flow just a little bit. And what we want is we want that to remain pretty soft there where the hair is, especially that edge of the hair. And I think we've got a fairly good mask now. Drop those hands. Click on our mask here. right here. Then let's make it back into an RGB image. We'll go to our layer and add a mask to that background layer. Now we want to fill the background with black, so I'm going to hold my command key or your control key on a PC and click on the new layer, and that'll add a layer underneath. Then let's go edit, fill, and this time we'll fill it with black. And there we have it. We've got a pretty good job here. If we wanted to, we could go into selected mask and do even a better one, but I think we did okay.